Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever thought about starting a side hustle but felt limited by resources or equipment? Well, guess what? In 2025, your smartphone is all you need to start earning extra cash. Today, we're sharing 5 side hustles you can start with just your smartphone. These are beginner-friendly, flexible, and perfect for anyone looking to boost their income. Let's dive in. First on the list is mobile photography. If you have an eye for capturing great shots, turn your photos into cash by selling them on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or IEM. Many smartphones today have incredible cameras, and with a little editing using free apps like Snapseed or Lightroom Mobile, your pictures can look professional. Pro tip: focus on trending themes like travel, nature, or lifestyle shots for higher demand. Next up is social media management. Businesses need help creating content, engaging with followers, and growing their online presence. With apps like Canva and Meta Business Suite, you can design posts, schedule content, and track analytics all from your phone. Offer your services to small businesses or entrepreneurs, and you can charge $15 to $50 an hour depending on your experience. Third, let's talk about online surveys and market research. Apps like Swagbucks, Toluna, and Google Opinion Rewards pay you for sharing your opinions. While this won't make you rich, it's a quick and easy way to earn gift cards or cash in your spare time. Combine this with other side hustles for a steady income boost. Another great option is reselling items online. Use apps like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark to sell things you no longer need or flip thrift store finds for a profit. Your smartphone lets you take photos, list items, and chat with buyers seamlessly. It's a low-risk hustle with big potential if you're good at spotting valuable items. Finally, consider becoming a freelance microtasker. Apps like TaskRabbit, Fiverr, or Gigwalk let you complete small tasks for pay, ranging from online research to quick errands. Many of these tasks can be done straight from your phone, making it a convenient way to earn extra money during downtime. And there you have it, 5 side hustles you can start with just your smartphone in 2025. Whether you're selling photos, managing social media, or flipping items online, these ideas prove you don't need expensive equipment to make extra cash. Which hustle are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more side hustle tips. See you next time.